Welcome, Tradespooners. Let's take a look at today's pick for February 18th, 2014. We're looking at long Brocade communication systems, ticker symbol BRCD. Taking a look at our proprietary pick ratings, our risk-reward rating is at a 4, and we have the value momentum proprietary rating from Tradespoon at 7. As always, you can check our analysis report. This gives you an in-depth analysis of both the fundamental and technical components of our pick and ratings judgments. So looking at the price action in Brocade, ticker symbol BRCD, we're looking at a close price of $9.62 as of the 17th. We're looking at a 52-week high of $9.93, so we're right off that high, and we're at a 52-week low and well off the 52-week low of $5.14. The volatility change is only up 10%, so there's not a lot of vol movement right now. As a matter of fact, it's been dipping off of a little bit of a spike going into February expiration. Taking a look at the risk on return on capital for the position, we have 67%. We have the probability of success right at 70%. The estimated move average at 50 cents. And the expiration date, we're going to be looking at the March options, which would be 3/22 of 2014. Now, taking a look at the picks, we're looking to buy stock, BRCD, at a limit price of $9.62 or better. If we are filled at our limit price or better, we're going to put a sell limit $1.10 higher, so at $10.72. And we're going to have that out there good till cancel. We're willing to risk $1.10 on this particular position. With an entry price of $9.62, that means that we're going to put a sell stop below the market of our entry, and in this case it would be $8.52 as a sell stop limit. That means that we're going to put a sell stop and a limit to sell at, when triggered, at $8.52 or better. Now, taking a look at the options trade, we're going to buy the March $9 calls. We're going to put a limit price in of 76 cents. If we're filled at 76 cents, then we're going to put a price target above to take profits to sell to close at roughly around $1.52. So you'd have a sell limit out there good till cancel for $1.52. We're going to willing to risk the whole 76 cents that we're putting in per contract. So please use prudent risk and capital management, meaning that you shouldn't have more than 2.5% to 10%, and that's for your smaller accounts, in any one position. For stocks, we're suggesting 3 to 5% of the cash available, the cash buying power available in the account. Taking a look at the option spread, well, we're going to be looking at a bull call spread. We're looking to buy the $9 calls for 76 cents. We're going to sell the March $10 calls for 20 cents. That's going to reduce our entry price on this particular bull call spread to 56 cents. Now, our max profit is going to be the difference between the strike prices, $1 minus 56 cents. So our max profit is going to be 44 cents, and that is if the stock is at or above $10 at expiration. And just one note, this might be something for you spread traders or your option traders to look at, because we're only pricing in a small estimated move. In context, though, that is a pretty large move for the stock, it being a $9 stock and 50 cents being the EM. But again, if we don't have a heightened expectation of it being above $10 at expiration, now of course the stock is at $9.62, so there is a decent probability of it being above there at expiration, about 50%. But this mitigates that 76 cents that we're buying for the $9 calls. And one other note, if we purchase this spread for 56 cents, it's actually in the money already by about 6 cents. So you actually have intrinsic value in this. And we're going to do webinars on this actually this week. On Wednesday night, we're looking to do a spread webinar, and you'll get an email on that most likely today. Now, again, if you are or never have traded one of the, if you're new or if you've never traded one of these positions, use our proprietary virtual trade here at Tradespoon. Again, take a look at the stock chart. You see that the stock has been on a nice move. It stalled out in January and has basically been sitting in a little bit of a consolidation pattern. So we're looking for some upside. Looking at the key stock events, you're just getting all the fundamental and technical information. And one thing that you always want to keep an eye on here is take a look to see if there's earnings, because that could be an event, a binary event that moves volatility and gets some movement in the underlying and especially before the expiration of the options, but we don't see that at this juncture. News and commentary, you could see what any news and commentary that we have out there when we were coming out with this pick. As always, if you need any help, you can email us at info@tradespoon.com. And always keep an eye on your recent picks. Just click See Daily Recent Picks, and you can also keep an eye on the performance by clicking on Performance. Well, that is today's pick of the day on February 18th, 2014, Long Brocade Systems, ticker symbol BRCD. Thanks for viewing, and have a great trading day.